Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to learn how to create the 3D family for this chair. So before I create my 3D extrusions, I would also need to create the height. So let's go to the front view here and let's create a reference plane. So I'm going to create two reference planes this way. Now let's create a dimension from our strong reference to our weak reference. Select this dimension. Now we already have some parameters here, but we cannot use them. We need to create a new height parameter. Let's call this the seat height from flow, or you can just call it seat height and click on OK. Now the seat height in most cases would be about 450. So let's change this to 450. It would be around 430 to 480 mm. So I'm going to change this to 450 mm. By the way, if you're using inches, you can also tap in 450 mm, or let's say if I tap in here 2 feet, it would change to the right mm value. Now we have the headrest here. So let's create a dimension from this reference plane to this. And let's select this dimension and create a parameter called the backrest height. Now the backrest height is typically around 300 to 600 mm. So let's change this to about 400. Perfect. So we have a height in place. Now let's go back to our plan view. So let's first create our seat. We can create a simple box chair. So to create your seat, let's go to create and click on extrusion here. Make sure to select pick lines and select these lines. Make sure to lock them as well. If you like to pick and lock, make sure to switch on lock and then pick the lines. And then you can trim these lines as well. So TR to trim. And then click on finish edit mode. Now we need to go to the front view. Make sure to lock this to this reference plane. And then we need a thickness for our chair. So we can create a reference plane here. And let's add a dimension here as well. And call this the seat thickness. And then you need to select your extrusion and extend it to this reference plane and make sure to lock it as well. Perfect. So we've created our seat. The seat seems to be a bit too thick, so we can change this to about say 40 mm.